Hey, today we're diving into the world of automotive illumination with the RGB Halo Kits 392 multicolor LED emblem. Feast your eyes as we showcase the incredible high-intensity LEDs that turn your vehicle's emblem into a dynamic light show. Now, here's the scoop. This kit is a showstopper, compatible with all Dodge models from 2010 to 2023. It's not just an upgrade. It's a transformation. Picture your ride bathed in vibrant hues, standing out with unparalleled flair and personality. Installation a breeze. This kit is a direct swap, making it easy for you to elevate your vehicle's appearance without breaking a sweat. But that's not all. This emblem is a tough cookie with 100% waterproof, rust-proof, and water-resistant features. Rain or shine, your ride stays brilliantly lit. Now, let's talk control. The hybrid controller is the star of the show, offering both Bluetooth control and a wireless handheld remote. It's your ticket to a customized lighting experience, right at your fingertips. Rev up your ride with the RGB Halo Kits 392 multicolor LED emblem. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe for a dose of automotive excellence, and share your thoughts in the comments on how you'd add a personal touch to your vehicle with this vibrant light upgrade. Stay tuned for more updates, and until then, cruise in style.